JJ Redick is leaving the Clippers to go to the Philadelphia 76ers, a 1-year, $23 million contract. This NBA money is no joke. In Redick's first 11 seasons, he earned something like $57 million, and now for one season, he's going to get $23 million. It's a great pickup for the 76ers. They need some veterans on that team, and they also need three-point shooting. They need somebody to spread the floor, so they're going to get that with Redick. He's a terrific three-point shooter, and it's an experiment because after the year, they could either re-sign him or they could go after another shooter, but they're basically just testing this out to see how well they can play with all their young guys, with a guy like Redick shooting threes, getting open, coming around screens. Trust the process is what JJ Redick tweeted on Twitter, and their lineup is looking nice. That starting lineup, it's just that everybody's young, but in the future, we might be talking about the 76ers running that division, maybe even the conference. Who knows? In other news, the Houston Rockets are engaged in trade talks with the Cleveland Cavaliers for Shumpert. That's interesting. What would they be sending to the Cavs for him, and why do they want him? Maybe it's for the defense, because Shumpert, he can't make anything. He can't do anything offensively. He gets so many open shots on the Cavs, and all you hear is clank. But an extra defender off the bench would be nice because they have Eric Gordon, shooting guard, that he's your offense, so maybe they're looking for defense. Last but not least, Andre Iguodala. He canceled all meetings in free agency. He did meet with the Rockets today, but everybody else has been canceled. Is that a sign that he's going back to Golden State? We'll find out soon. Let me know in the comments section what you think. I didn't already have. Defeating this slaver. It's all about that Chris Smoove crossover, getting him leaning. I got him leaning. I'm almost about to die. He's swinging for the fences. He's swinging for the home run. But you know the rules. If you reach, I teach.